Hey, Mayor from 3 Feet Deep here. There's been a lot of interest in our Impeller Jam Removal Tool. This simple tool is one of the most important accessories for a personal watercraft, and we always carry one on board. Over the years, we made a few improvements on the tool that make it easier to make, cheaper, and lighter, and we thought we'd share those improvements with our viewers. The first change is that we now make the tool out of 1/2-inch aluminum rod instead of 7/16 steel rod. This change retains the stiffness in the tool, but now makes it rust-proof and lighter. The second change follows from the first. We now don't need to use the heat shrink tubing. As the tool is much lighter now, we no longer need the cushioning from the heat shrink if it comes loose and starts banging around inside your storage compartment. Other than that, nothing else has changed, so we encourage you to take a look at our other video and make one for yourself. And if you don't have the tools or the space, ask a friend to make one for you. Hey, when you need it, you'll be really happy you've got it with you. Hey, thanks for watching, and as always, be safe out there.